Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about Pieris. Pieris is a fantastic evergreen shrub. It's acid loving, like camellia, so you need to use ericaceous soil if you're planting it in a pot. I think they're great in pots. They work really well. You don't have to water them a huge amount, but you do have to water them a bit, but they're quite low maintenance. This one is called Forest Flame, which is my favourite Pieris, because of this fantastic new red foliage which it has in the spring. And these leaves are followed, well actually sometimes it's simultaneous, with a very small bell-like white flower, which is a bit like lily of the valley, and it's really pretty. And if you get the leaf and the flower together, it is completely stunning. This Pieris likes partial shade. This is east facing, this bed, and it's really healthy and it loves it. So put it in partial shade, ericaceous compost, and just enjoy it. It was a bit hidden amongst my other pots, so I've pulled it out so you can see it in all its glory, this fantastic new leaf which it produces in the spring. Now the leaf goes from red, really bright red, to a pinky red, which is where it is now. It's just like the sort of pinky red, and then it goes a creamy yellow, and then it turns green. You don't need to prune Pieris, but if it gets straggly or out of shape, then prune it to a leaf. There's a leaf there, prune it just above the leaf. Thank you for joining me. Please like, please subscribe, and keep up to date with my latest content. I'll be posting on Sunday mornings and Wednesday mornings, so I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.